How to delete Instagram account. See, if you want to delete your Instagram account, first of all you have to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram application, tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom right corner. After tapping on your profile icon, tap on your 3 bar icon which is on the top right corner. After tapping on 3 bar icon, tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, tap on account center and then personal details. After tapping on personal details, tap on account ownership and control. After that, tap on deactivation or deletion. After tapping on deactivation or deletion, tap on the Instagram account which you want to delete and then choose the bottom option delete account and then continue and select the reason why you want to delete your Instagram account. Choose any reason you like and then tap on continue and then again tap on continue. And then you have to enter your account password and then tap on continue and your account will be deleted. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.